Hold on a minute. Did we hear that right? Dodge is making an electric car?
We're talking hypothetical, right?
Surely you jest. Dodge? You mean the people who devised the legendary 426 Hemi and sunk it into a sublime missile? You mean the Dodge that created the Hellcat Red Eye and the most powerful muscle car in the world? Makers of the 840 horsepower wheel-standing Demon? Why on God's green earth would Dodge ever build an electric car?
Hello there, everybody. I promised you guys I was going to give you an update on the Speed Week Day 3 announcement. I wasn't able to do it yesterday because I was out with family, but I wanted to get this video out to get my opinion about what was released to the public yesterday and get your opinion. Comment below. So it looks like what we saw is the future of Dodge, right? After 2023, we're looking at electric vehicles as far as their performance vehicle. So 2023 is the last model year for the Chargers and Challengers. That means they're not making any of the performance vehicles like the Charger and Challenger with a internal combustion engine on it. I'm happy I have mine. I'll keep my Hellcat forever. But what they released yesterday was the Charger Daytona Srt Banshee. That's the name of it. It's kind of a mouthful. But what it is an electric vehicle, full electric, with 9 power levels, according to Tim Kuniskis. And it's not bad looking, and it's a 2-door. People have always been complaining that Charger should be 2-door, and this one is a 2-door. It has 4 seats inside and a hatch-looking compartment, storage compartment, which means that, you know, instead of a trunk, it's got a hatchback storage area, which allows for a lot of storage. Now, as far as what Dodge has done to this car, they made it perform, I guess, although it's electric, like a Dodge, a signature Dodge car. Case in point is it has a sound. It sounds like an electric Hellcat. They said the exhaust sound will be loud enough up to 129 decibels. That's pretty loud. I mean, a muffler deleted Charger would reach about 120, 121 decibels. 129 decibels is loud. Second thing that they did is it has some sort of electronic shifting. What it means is that if you turn it on, it will shift like a normal car. So you'll be able to experience the shifting experience that you won't be able to in most electric cars. So that's one thing that they added to it, and they added a few more things to it that would make the driving experience to be more of a Dodge vehicle. So in that respect, I like that. It's not like a soulless electric car, just like what we have now. I mean, yes, they're fast, but they're just fast. You don't experience the torque, you don't experience the sound, and Dodge has done that. I'll list the little add-ons that they have somewhere in here and pictures, so you'll see what it looks like inside and outside, and the additional things that they added to make it perform and behave like a Dodge. So my opinion about it is that I would not buy it, but if I was forced to buy an electric car, there's only 2 choices. It's either you get the Dodge because it performs, or you get the Taycan. I like the way the Taycan looks, the Porsche Taycan, but you know, it's very, very expensive. I'd probably just get a 911 GT3 RS before I get a Taycan anyways. But if I was forced and no choice but to get an electric car, I would get a Dodge Charger SRT Daytona Banshee. That's what I would get, just because it's electric, but it's fast and it will behave like a regular internal combustion engine would be, as far as the shift points and the sound. So these are the things that was released yesterday. People were probably expecting more, but that's what we have. So I would like to get your opinion down below, what you think of it. If you like it, you don't like it, what have you, what's your opinion about it? My opinion is I do not like it. I also do not like it. I don't know if you mean, it's something that I would not buy if I had a choice, but if I don't have a choice, then I'll go ahead and buy it as compared to other electric cars. That's just my opinion about it. So hopefully this video is a little bit informative on my end. I'll put some links of Dodge or Stellantis official videos down below so you can get more detail about it. But I just wanted to get this video out there to those who follow me in this channel, so that I can give an opinion about this Banshee, Charger Banshee car. 2 doors, has sound, and has shift points. It's got a lot of storage. We don't have the official power numbers, speed numbers, any of that available, so we don't know that. As soon as we know it, we'll discuss it here in this channel. So thanks for tuning in with me and listening to my rant or my blah blah blah. But hope you like this video. You click the thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.